Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to start sexuality in organism. Plants may have both male and female reproductive structure in same plant, bisexual, or on different plant it is called unisexual plant. तो plants may have both male and female reproductive structure in same plant, bisexual, in different plant, unisexual organism. Some important term used to denote the sexuality of organisms like plant and animal are fungi. The term homothallic, student, very important point, listen very carefully. Term homothallic in case of fungi or monoecious in case of plants is used to denote the bisexual condition. In case of fungi, homothallic term. In case of plants, monoecious term is used to denote the bisexual condition. If plant is bisexual, we can say that monoecious plant. If fungi is bisexual, we can say that homothallic fungi. Next important point is the term heterothallic in case of fungi or dioecious in case of plants is used to denote unisexual condition. So in case of plant, we can say that if plant is unisexual, dioecious plant. In case of fungi, we can say that if fungi is unisexual, heterothallic fungi. So term heterothallic in case of fungi and term dioecious in case of plant is used to denote the unisexual condition. Like this, animals also may have both male and female reproductive structure in same plant, bisexual animal, or in different bodies, unisexual animal. Now, let us look the important example of bisexual plant, unisexual plant, bisexual animal and unisexual animal. First of all, we will learn by example of bisexual animal. Bisexual animal also known as monoecious or hermaphrodite animal. The example is, first example is sponge, then leech, then earthworm, tapeworm. So sponge, leech, earthworm or tapeworm are example of bisexual animal Students, we learn some important trick. BSLET. BSLET, buslet. B means bisexual animal, S sponge, L leech, E earthworm, T tapeworm. तो BSLET, तो example of bisexual animal, sponge, leech, earthworm and tapeworm. An example of unisexual animal, cockroach and human. Another important example for plant bisexual and unisexual. So first is bisexual plant यानी monoecious plant. Maize, kara, castor, coconut and cucurbits are example of monoecious or bisexual plant. So we will learn some important trick, that is MC की power 4. First M means maize, first C kara, next castor, next coconut, next cucurbit. Maize, kara, castor, coconut and cucurbits are example of monoecious plant. And dioecious plant यानी unisexual plant, example of dioecious plant is date palm, papaya and markensia. We will learn DPM. Trick is DPM, date palm, papaya and markensia. Sexuality in organism. Example of bisexual animal, sponge, leech, earthworm and tapeworm. Example of unisexual animal, cockroach, human. Example of monoecious plant, maize, kara, castor, coconut and cucurbits. Example of dioecious plant, date palm, papaya. Next important heading of pre-fertilization event is, and last heading is gamete transfer. In simple plant like algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, water act as medium for gamete transfer. Water act as medium for gamete transfer. In angiosperm, the pollen grain are transferred from anther of one flower to stigma of another flower to stigma of another flower, and this is called pollination. So in angiosperm, the pollen grain is transferred by the process is called pollination. We have already studied in previous class what is the pollination. The transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of another flower is called pollination. Next point is next events in sexual reproduction. First event is pre-fertilization event and second event is fertilization event. Fertilization event. What is the fertilization? We have already discussed. What is the fertilization? The process of fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization or syngamy and result in the formation of diploid zygote. Fertilization is of two types. First is external fertilization and second is internal fertilization. If the fusion of gamete occur outside the body of an organism, it is called external fertilization. If the fusion of gamete occur inside the body of an organism, then it is called internal fertilization. Internal fertilization. Large number of both male and female gametes are released into water in order to enhance chances of syngamy. In internal fertilization, the number of sperm produced are very large and number of eggs produced are less. In external fertilization, the offspring are extremely vulnerable to predator threatening their survival, but in internal fertilization, the offspring are well protected comparatively. The example of organism of external fertilization: bony fish, frog, and majority of algae. An example of internal fertilization is reptiles, birds, and mammals. Fertilization. What would happen in fertilization? In fertilization, the formation and fusion of male and female gamete and result in the formation of zygote is called fertilization. There are two types of fertilization: external fertilization and internal fertilization. If fusion of gamete occur outside the body of an organism, then it is called external fertilization. If fusion of gamete occur inside the body of an organism is called internal fertilization. Example of external fertilization: bony fish, frog, and majority of algae. And example of internal fertilization is reptiles, birds, and mammals. Students, before starting post-fertilization event, we discuss important point given in your NCERT book, that is parthenogenesis. What is the parthenogenesis? The development of female gamete directly into an individual, into an organism without fertilization. In parthenogenesis, the very important point is the organism is formed without fertilization. The development of female gamete directly into an organism without fertilization is called parthenogenesis. The example of parthenogenesis is turkey. It is the example of birds, rotifer, honeybee, and some lizard. Turkey, rotifer, honeybee, and some lizard. So what is the parthenogenesis? The development of female gamete directly into an organism without fertilization is called parthenogenesis, And the example of parthenogenesis is turkey. It is the type of birth. Second example is rotifer. Third example is honeybee. And last example is some lizard also reproduced by parthenogenesis. In the next video, we will start post fertilization. Thank you so much.